line exercise because of aligning the lens, for all cycling level, no thanks for no use. Music is like the hip hop group, being the title of the song is control. For a session of line lens, with your left foot, walk, walk, basic samba, turn, we'll be getting 6 o'clock. We're doing on your right foot. Second section, mambo left arm, mambo left right back, and then we're going to do the butterfly side, side. Let's do it with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Your weight again is not on the right foot. The third section is a traveling elbow to the right and a traveling half circular volta to the right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, in the last section, we're going to do a shuffle twist to the left. 1 and 2, shuffle twist again. And then we step on the 7 count, you are going to make a quarter left here. Out, turn to the right, and set your left, right foot together with your left, away should be on the right foot. Okay, let's do the whole body like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going there. We have arm styling. Okay, we'll do the arm styling on the volta, traveling volta, it goes this way. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. On the back foot forward, we're having also arm styling. Okay, thank you. Enjoy watching.